The reason people don't take you seriously has nothing to do with your skills or how smart you are. It's about three tiny things you're doing that scream, "I don't value myself." And once you fix these, everything changes. First, stop over-explaining everything. You say something, and then you immediately justify it. You give reasons nobody asked for. You apologize for your decisions before anyone questions them. Listen, when you explain too much, you sound unsure, like you need permission to exist. Next time you make a decision, just say it. Don't add, "Well, I was thinking, maybe because I feel like possibly." Just say, "This is what I'm doing." Period. Watch how people suddenly nod instead of questioning you. Second, your body language is betraying you. You make yourself small, shoulders hunched, eyes down. You take up less space, hoping nobody notices you're there. But here's the problem. People notice, and they read it as, "This person doesn't matter." Try this. When you walk into a room, stand up straight. Take up space. Don't rush your movements. Don't fidget. Don't look at the ground. Look at people's faces. Move like you belong there. Because you do. The second you start carrying yourself differently, people's brains register you as someone important. Third, you're too available. You answer every text immediately. You drop everything when someone needs something. You never say, "I'm busy right now." Here's what happens. When you're always available, people think your time isn't valuable. They think you don't have anything better to do. So they treat you like an option, not a priority. Start this today. When someone calls, you can finish what you're doing first. When someone texts, it's okay to reply in 20 minutes. When someone asks for a favor, you can say, "I can't do that today." You're not being rude. You're showing people that your time matters. Here's the truth. People don't respect you because you don't respect yourself first. You over-explain because you think you need approval. You shrink because you don't want to be seen. You're always available because you're afraid people will forget about you. But the moment you stop doing these things, something incredible happens. People start listening when you talk. They start valuing your time. They start treating you like someone who matters. Because that's exactly who you are. Now go try just one of these things. Start today. And when people suddenly start taking you seriously, don't act surprised. You just showed them who you've been all along.